Hello students, let's today understand module second of your syllabus, that is phonology. You know that this whole paper is related with the study of language, and the scientific study of language, systematic study of language, we call it linguistics. So phonology is a branch of linguistics. In this module, you have total 6 sections or subtopics. The first subtopic or section is phonetic symbols, phonology and phony, allophone and minimal pairs. These are different concepts in phonology, and one by one you will understand them. The section 2 is speech mechanism. It means that when we produce sound in a language, for example, in Marathi, we produce k and we use it in the word kaka, kaki. So the k is a sound which is used in a language. That is why it is called speech sound. Not all sounds that we produce by our mouth are speech sound. The number of speech sounds is limited and definite in a particular sound. For example, in English, we have 44 sounds that we use in speech or while speaking. So, how these sounds are produced? With the help of tongue, lips, nasal cavity, larynx, and other speech organs in our mouth that we deal in this subtopic, that is speech mechanism. Then in the section 3 you study organs of the speech. Just I have mentioned the tongue, how the tongue is used to produce different sounds, speech sounds. For example, while producing r, r, we twist the tongue. L, while producing this l sound, we little touch the tongue to the palate of upper palate of the mouth. So these are the different organs that we use while producing speech sounds. Then you have description of speech sounds with 3 terms labels. We classify these sounds. For example, in English we have 44 sounds. We classify these 44 sounds in different groups. Like in Marathi, we have speech sounds and we classify them into 2 major categories: swar आणि व्यंजने. In the similar way, we classify these sounds into different categories, that is consonants, vowels, diphthongs. These are the classification of these 44 speech sounds. In these 3 classifications also, we subclass we make. These classes we are going to see, and they are called 3 term labels. Then you have word transcription. It simply means that when you pronounce a word like leave, leave, and live, leave. If you are a non-native speaker, you will think that they are produced in the similar way, but it is not. In the leave, this leave is long and here it is short. So leave and leave. What I have done here is phonetic transcription of this leave and leave word. So what is this concept we are also going to see in the this section. Then you have word trace in which you have accent or the primary trace. While producing words, we put emphasis on certain elements of the word. For example, photography. Photography. In the to, we give trace on the to. So these all are basic concepts in the language related with the speech sounds. And we are going to learn the speech sounds in English. Now, in your question paper pattern, certain questions are based on this module, that is phonology. In the question number first, you have objective type questions in which you will be asked three term labels. It is for 3 marks, which is related with this section. Description of speech sounds with 3 term labels. Then you have transcription of words with primary trace, which is based on this section word transcription and word trace. So here this is example of transcription. Then you have conversion of the given transcription into a conventional spelling, that is reverse. The transcription will be given and based on this transcription you have to write the proper word. If the leave l, these sounds l, e, v, if these sounds are given in the examination, if you spell these group of 3 sounds into leave, your answer will be wrong. You have to write live. So this is spelling. So reverse. So this question is based on reverse frame. Then you have short notes on the module 2nd and 4. So there will be 4 short notes. Automatically it means that the 2 short notes will be set on module 2nd. So comparatively, this module 2nd phonology is a long module and lot of primary concepts related with the study of language are included in this module, and you have to concentrate to understand them, because if you understand this module, the coming next modules you will definitely understand, which are based on this module, that is phonology. Thank you.